That's why we're very frustrated sa nangyayari ngayon. At yun nga, sabi ko, hindi ko alam kung anong consequences merong mangyayari about sa kanya. Oh. Benny, so, we keep on communicating with him. Unfortunately, before itong mga import namin, may commitment siya sa Korea. From Taiwan at Korea, at the time, going pa yung all Filipino Kaya lang, siyempre, players sila lagi naghanap na malalaruan at the time. So, all Filipino yun, wala pa. And then, sa Korea. And then, even Macalo, nasa listahan namin yun. But I monitored sa mga game niya dito sa Taiwan. His team is number 1 sa tournament nila and their games I think maging available pa siya ng mid-May. And kaya ito, and actually we have a good import during our finals may na-sign up na kami na import ganyan. Kaya lang hindi na-release siya ng kanyang mother team dahil siyempre kailangan siya doon And then we're waiting for 3 weeks. Kaya lang very close na to the opening. So opted to look for someone. And then I think three import biglang na-sign up ng ibang tournament. Ganyan And kaya nag-end up kami
So wala na yun.
kay Marcos Lee, ganyan, dahil immediate need namin Actually, he's not bad. He's a good when it comes to attitude, almost perfect. But we need somebody who could help us in scoring. Ganyan. And ito, we're waiting for both right. I think maybe in the next game, andyan na siya.
Alam na rin ni napapalitan na siya ni Pacol.
Hindi, dahil
Hindi ngayon, yung
hindi niya alam. Dahil paano na papalitan? Sa kanya yan talagang excited kami sa kanya Yung first day nakita namin malaki, may move, tapos nag-shooting, may tira, and makikita mo yung mga reviews sa kanya, especially sa mga mga expert na makikita mo ang ganda ng ng sinasabi kung makukuha namin siya dahil fitted sa sistema namin and we could play with Junmar. Imagine, meron pa 7-footer with Junmar. So, it's a big advantage against any team when it comes to size.
Coach, kung humingi siya ng kapatawaran para makabalik, one more chance magbibigay.
Yeah, kami naman tao lang tayo Pwede kami magpatawad pero he has to face the consequences na dapat na mangyari sa kanya.